Yeah. Sorry about that. All right. Let's continue, guys.
So we go to 2 hours time frame, sir. So we are on 2 hours time frame now. So what we should be looking out for is the clear pattern, like more confirmations before entering the market. Are you there, sir?
I'm with you, sir. I'm with you.
So more confirmations before.
Okay.
So you can see the M pattern now clearly. Can you see the M pattern clearly?
Yes, yes.
Exactly. So that indicates what?
That indicates sell.
Exactly. That is one of the confirmation. The confirmation that, oh, okay, this market now, okay, is changing the direction. It wants to sell. And you can see a bearish hammer candle right before the full body candle. Can you see that?
Yeah, yes, yes.
And what does the full body candle illustrate in trading? That means sellers are now stronger in the market. Can you see the full body candle of the sell?
Yes, yes.
That means sellers are now coming back in the market. They are trying to bring it down by fire by force. But what happened again when it gets to the trend line? It bounces off the bullish trend line. Can you see, sir?
Yes, yes.
So do you see the way market respect trend line? When it gets to the trend line again, buyers are like, no, we won't let this market go like this. We'll fight with our last breath. Can you see that? They tried.
Yes.
They brought it up again. So we will now go to like 1 hour to see, okay, what other confirmation am I going to see before I enter for a sell? We know that it's a sell market. No matter what the buyers are doing, they will eventually get tired because they are already tired. Because they are yet to like overtake the higher high. That means they are not strong enough even to match up with the higher high. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Price action. Price action, you can also use just pure price action to trade. Just using pure price action. You can see that they can't even push up the market up to like the higher high. What will you call that? What will you call where the market is? What will you call where the market is right now?
Like, comic, I don't get your question. What do you make it
Where
your actual question?
Yeah, you know the upper one is higher high, and there's lower high. Okay, what will you call where the market is right now? Higher low.
Higher low, yes.
It's lower than the previous high.
Yes, yes, yes.
So we'll be looking out for, okay, what is another conference that I will see before I enter the market again? If you don't enter the first one, like you want to enter now, what am I going to see? Then you come back to like 1 hour time frame to see, is there anything I'm missing? Coach, can we go to 1 hour, sir? On this 1 hour, what other conference are you seeing now?
Sir, what do you say?
What other conference are you seeing on this 1 hour time frame that will give you more confirmation?
Like, comic, I don't get your question. What do you mean?
What other conference are you seeing on this 1 hour time frame that will give you more confirmation?
Well, the M pattern is more glaring at this 1 hour time frame.
What
shows that
other thing? We've seen that already. What other thing?
um,
Coach, are you there, sir? Hello, coach. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that not support on resistance?
Which one?
Because I'm not with my the previous support turning to resistance. Can you come down? Can you bring the
This
arrow
one?
down? No, up. No,
This
no,
one?
up.
This one?
Yeah, down a bit. Yes, exactly. Around there. Not really. Can we call that support and resistance?
Yeah, I've answered it already.
Go on, support and resistance.
Yeah, I've answered it already.
What is okay?
I've answered it already.
not really.
Okay. So we can see a small M pattern now forming on the side,
Just
on
a
the
breakout.
psychology level.
Just a breakout of this M and then probably retest. That's just it. Do you understand, sir? Just a breakout of this M and then retest on it.
What? Okay. Then before it comes down. Okay, I get it now. Sir, do you see the meaning of breaking out and retest now? Are you there, Mr. Wale?
Yeah, me too.
It broke the psychology line, then come back and retest on it again before it starts going on its journey. Do you see
Yeah.
it? Then form another M pattern. Yeah, right on the psychology line. That indicates that, okay, I'm still in this market too. I'm not giving up yet too. I still have more mission to sell. So that's another thing. That's what the M pattern is illustrating to us. Then we'll go to 15 minutes time frame to see more. Okay. Coach, can we go to 15 minutes, sir? Exactly. Do you see it more clearly now, sir?
Yes, sir.
What can you see, sir? How can you see here?
I can see an head and shoulder.
Okay. You can also see an hem pattern, but it's not like fully hem. But
yeah.
You can use that as an hem also, but it's not like equal. Like it's not equal. But judging from price action, it still shows that the buyers are finding it difficult to reach up to the level of the high. Do you see that?
Yeah.
That means their power keeps depreciating. Their power keeps coming down.
Yes.
You see that the first one, they can't read the first one. Okay, that one form. Okay. Can we still be using this one to form another one? Maybe we'll read the first one. But later on, they can't still even read the second one. That means, judging from price action, they are becoming more weaker and weaker.
Okay.
Are you getting that? Sellers
Yes,
are weakening them bit by bit. You know, market won't just go like at
so
once. They weaken them.
There's a lower high there. That's you couldn't form with the previous higher high.
It couldn't break. It couldn't even match it. It can't match it. Like it was very weak, not even match it. Okay, we can still be looking at it like, okay, maybe they will continue, the journey will continue to form another high, to form another higher low, to form another high and reach the first one. But no, that didn't happen. It later came, the one that came that wants to form the something. It can't even like come up to the to even equal the high. You see that it can't even equal the high. It keep on falling. It keep on dropping. It keep on losing momentum. It's not even up to that previous something. For me, I would say I can use that as an M2 because judging from price action, I can see that buyers are losing momentum. Then the markets came and broke the psychology level. And it came and broke the psychology level. That indicates that the market is going down, that down way. So in this market like this, I'm here to like hear what coach has to say about this market. But for me, I'll go for a sell. You get that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you good, sir? If you have any question, you can ask, sir.
It's okay.
Do you understand it?
To some extent, sure. To some extent.
Don't worry, you get it. It's small. Everything I've been telling you is not one day that I learn enough. I learn everything else. So I keep on learning, and I will still learn.
Yes. So
so it's okay if you don't understand fully, but try to understand at least 70% of it for now.
yes, sir. Well, it's
So
my
can
own.
we call on coach
Let
now?
me just come again. Like from what, like, let me do a recap. You be the one to
Okay.
to take charge in that aspect in such a way that I just want to take a recap. Like I want to take the way I want to just say it in a way I've understood to my little ability.
Okay. You can ask
So,
coach to keep on moving the time frame of the markets.
and so for us to dissect the market, we have to check the market structure based on different time frame, right?
Yes,
That one
exactly.
okay. So make confirmation
Top down.
which
That is what we call top down analysis. Top down analysis. Top
up
down.
top down. Okay,
Top.
top down analysis. I've written it down. Top down analysis. So that one will help us in confirmation for which decision to make, right?
Yeah, decision. Okay, yeah, exactly.
Okay. So let's okay, we'll start being a day trader, we start with daily time frame, right?
Yes, sir. You can start from weekly, but I start from my own from daily.
Okay. Coach, can you help us go to daily time frame? Coach,
Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Are you done?
No. He wants to tell me everything so far. So he's going to start over from the beginning. Yes, sir. 1 hour time frame.
1 hour. Okay.
No, daily first.
Daily, okay, daily.
So from the daily time frame, you can see the trend that the market is having, and it shows a downward trend. And then we will tend to we'll pick the downward trend based on the fact that I can see a little of the upward trend that is doing, but we'll go with the longest trend because market expect the longest trend more than
Which is the main trend. The main trend. Yeah, which is the main trend. We'll call that main trend.
Which is the main we call it the main trend. So to do further confirmation, we already see that it's like from the look of the trend, you can say this is a sell. But we won't still conclude. We still have to make further confirmations by checking on the 4 hour time frame. So help us check on the 4-hour section. Am I on point, sir?
Okay. Okay. Coach, 4
We
hours,
trying
sir.
to kindly check to kindly
Coach.
put value whenever I'm getting it wrong, sir.
Okay, yeah, sure, sir.
Though it seems like I'm picking a client sync card though, but actually I'm gaining something from the tutorial at the moment.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So we go to the 4-hour time frame, and from the 4-hour time frame as well.
You have to check for confirmations how to enter the sell market. What are you to look for? You've seen that the market, so what you should be looking at for is a sell market. So you are checking for confirmations here.
Yes, sir. I'm checking on further confirmations so I can see an M pattern forming with this 4-hour time.
Okay.
I can see an M pattern forming, but it's not more glaring as. So I will have to do further confirmation by checking on the 2-hour time frame.
First of all, look at the trend line. The trend line should be one of your conferences. The psychology level, like the tiny horizontal line we drew, also
Okay,
be.
yes.
You can see that tiny horizontal line is called point of action. Point of action.
Okay.
Markets will always respect it. Markets will always react when you get there.
When you get to the trend line and to the psychological level.
Yeah, exactly. So those are the two confirmations you have to see on this one. Then you go to 2 hours to check for further more confirmation.
Okay. On this time frame, I have to check if it's touching
Coach, can we go to 2 hours,
the
sir?
psychological level. Wait, sir. I'm to check if it's touching the trend and the psychological level or what.
What do you say, sir?
On that 4-hour time frame, I might to check for if it's touching the trend line psychological level.
Yeah, exactly. Psychology level and the trend line should be your conferences you take from the time frame.
Okay.
So right now, you can see an M pattern on this time frame. You can see the M pattern. Can you see that, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you can see the full body candle. Full body candle that break, then we test.
Yes.
That's the indicate that it's still going to sell. Are you with me, sir?
Yes, I'm with you.
And I can see an hammer candle right before it draws the strong candle, strong bullish bearish candle. Can you see the hammer?
Yes.
The hammer, the bearish hammer. So that's one of the conferences too. Then we go to like 1 hour to check for other confirmations. Are you there, sir?
Yeah, I'm with you. We have to check on the
Yeah, you can
1 hour.
continue.
Then we'll check on the 1 hour time frame.
Okay. Coach, are you there, sir? So you can see it more clearly now. Can you see it more clearly?
Yes.
And you can see another M pattern forming on the retest. Can you see that? On the psychology level.
Yes.
That indicates that it will go for a sell now.
Yes.
So
It's
that's
going to,
what you have to take from.
so that's on a 1
So
hour
that,
time.
yeah, 1 hour time frame. So the small M that you see that indicates that, okay, oh, I'm still ready to sell more. Do you get that, sir?
Yes.
Are you there, sir?
I'm with
Then
you,
you go
sir.
to 15
I
minutes
actually took a
for
jog, so
confirmation.
I took a
Your
jog.
last confirmation. You go to 15 minutes for your last confirmation.
Yes, 15 minutes for the last confirmation.
Yeah.
So yeah, I took a jog, so I'm
Coach,
feeling
can we go on
drowsy.
15 minutes, sir?
I'm feeling
Yeah, what,
drowsy.
sir?
I said I took a drug, so
What
I'm
did you say,
feeling
sir?
drowsy. I took a drug, so I'm feeling drowsy. I'm on drug. Now I'm feeling drowsy.
Ah.
Okay. I'm still on sha. I'm with you. Coach can come in now. So hello, sir.
AUDJPY. Hello, sir.
Hello, I'm with you, sir.
Okay. What can you see on this 15 minutes? You can see, judging from price action, like the power of these buyers are dropping. They don't have much strength again. They can't even have the strength to match the high. So, and it's from an end pattern. You can also see a head and shoulder also. So that's what you have to say on this time frame.
Yes, sir.
You get that, sir?
Yeah, I'm with you.
So that's how I will enter for a sell, sir.
You can proceed. You can proceed. Let's coach come on.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Coach, are you there, sir? Hello, coach.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are done, sir.
They're done.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure, sir?
Yes, sir.
If just the everything that needs to be touched.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
By asking questions, if you are able to provide for me, who responsible.
It's true, sir.
And do you agree, sir? If I ask him question and you're able to provide it accurately, who responsible. Do you agree? Can you hear me, sir? Do you agree?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
I'm with you.
For asking any question and is unable to, who responsible. Are you there, Mr. Wale?
No, I'm with you.
What makes a trend line valid?
What make a trend line valid?
Yes.
At least for a trend line to be valid, it has to touch 2 to 3 like that's to cross out to 2 to 3 points before we can say it's a valid trend line.
That's the what?
It has to cross up to 2 to 3 points before we can say it's a valid trend line.
That's to.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir. That's the what?
It has to cost 2 to 3 points before we can say it's a valid trend line. Points on the market structure.
Okay. What happened? How would you explain this market? How would you explain?
How will I explain it in what sense?
How would you explain this market, this trend line, these two
Okay.
trend lines? How would you explain? What happened?
Okay. With this, we have a main trend line there, and like we have a main trend line there, and we have
Can you hear you, sir? It's a bit
minor.
louder, please.
I said
Bit volume.
with this what I'm saying here, that we have a main trend line that the market is respecting long before we have the minor trend line, which market also is respecting, but we will follow that of the longest one, the major trend line. So we'll make our deduction or dissecting to on the opinion of the longest trend line, not on that of the minor one.
In this market, what has happened now? This market, what has happened? What occurred? What can you see that happened? What can you see that occurred?
All I can see here is like there has been the downward trend going on, so it shows that the market has been selling. So it wants to happen that there want to be like a change in pattern, but it's still obeying a sell trend.
Why do you say so?
What's it?
Why do you mean this is still obeying a short market? Why?
It's because of the main trend line now. Because of the main trend line. I'm making my deduction based on the main trend line.
Has the market not broken the trend line?
Sir?
Has the market not broken the trend line?
It has not. It has not.
Why do you say so? It has not. How?
We can only see weak on the trend line. There's not a full body candle that has broken the trend line. It's only breaking with the we are only seeing
1 hour. Very well. See that it has broken. So this is it here. So has this market not broken the trend line? See very well now.
Okay. It has broken.
Why do you think it has broken?
It's broken. Full body candle. It has not broken. The market has not broken.
This is another chart, sir.
This is another chart.
You were able to tell. If you have explained to him, you were able to know other things. Yes.
Okay, sir.
That's the class one. That's assignment. Of course. I'm with you, sir.
It has broken. I've seen that it has broken.
Oh, why? What can you see there? What is your proof that has broken?
I can see a full body candle that has broken the trend line, which making it to be that
That's
is
a
making
full
it
body
invalid.
candle, okay? So in this market, you will buy, right? Or you will sell.
Sir?
If you enter a market, you will buy or you will sell. What will be your confidence if you either buy or sell? And if you not, what you let me know.
With this, I'm going to buy because the main trend
You're
line
going to buy, right?
still has, yes.
At this point, at what point?
Not I will not make my this is a daily time frame or what is the hours.
Check it out. Which
So
time
I'll
frame is
still have
this?
to check. Eh?
Which time frame is this? You can check it out now.
This is 4 hours.
Okay, yeah, I can see.
This is 4 hours. So we still have to go to like 2 hour time frame. I still have to do some
I go to 2 hours,
confirmation.
right? Can I go to 2 hours time
Yes.
frame? Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Wale
Hello?
Binai, this is not the same chart we work on. No. Coach has changed the chart
I know.
too. So
I know. I'm seeing it, sir.
this is
I see that
another chart
yeah,
too.
entirely. Oh,
Uh-huh.
Coach don't carry us go middle of the sea like this. So. Middle of the sea. Either you swim or you
Now you see, now
either
you
you
don't.
swim, either you swim or you drown. Okay. The look of things. So
I'm
we
a you,
still
sir.
have to go to 1 hour. 1 hour. Sir, can you first go back to daily time if I want to check something?
Daily, I go daily again.
Yes, I want to check something. Oh, okay. Mm. Okay. Let's go to 4 hours. Mm-hmm. Let's go to 2 hours, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to 1 hour. I'm seeing something already. I'm going to draw my conclusion based on.
You know what? Let's stop this smart class there. Let's make it a fresh one. Join in the next class. Let me start the sharing.
Okay.